Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, November 16th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 18 points to 27.16.5 per contract. You're going to see the futures have just caught a little bit of a bid off of the lows, but that's on some comments made by one of the Fed heads on CNBC just a few minutes ago, kind of walking back the Fed's aggressive stance that they've had lately. So we'll see how this plays out. Markets right now under pressure after some pretty dire results from NVDA yesterday. So we'll get into that in just a moment. This has been a wild options expiration. Please remember, today is options expiration for the month of November. All right, let's get started here. We're going to start off with the big one today. It's going to be NVDA, which is NVIDIA. Stock is getting absolutely smoked. It closed at $202.39 yesterday, now trading at $165.50 today. So this is ugly, ugly, ugly. I have gap levels ready to go for the stock, though, so it will be in play right at the opening bell. Keep it on the radar today, but this is a big, big haircut. We also have Applied Materials, who reported earnings. This is a semiconductor equipment maker. Stock right now is trading at $31.55, closed at $35.02. There's going to be a fair amount of support on this one, probably around the $27.42 level. I have another gap level for you as well. That'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Check it out. We've had a blockbuster week, and we're going to look to keep that going really into the end of the year. Next up, we want to take a look at Williams-Sonoma, WSM. This is getting hit as well. Closed at $60.54, now trading at 54 bucks. So this is a pretty good haircut here. I'm watching the $53 level on this pretty closely, but we've pierced it earlier, so I'm a little bit on the cautious side with it. What I'll be doing is looking at this one a little bit closer once the opening bell rings, and we'll see if it gives us another defined level. But somewhere around this here area where we're currently at, right around 53, there is a lot of support in that range. So we're going to have to watch this and see what it does. This one can be a little bit on the trickier side. Sometimes it doesn't always trade a million shares a day, but generally it will. So again, we'll watch this one once the opening bell rings. Next up, we want to take a look at Viacom. VIAB is the ticker symbol here. This stock is trading at $32.53, closed at $31.83. So this is getting an uptick here. Again, there's a lot of resistance for this name, probably more around the $32.75 level, which is right where we were currently, or we are currently. So again, we'll watch this one once the opening bell rings. Not much I'm going to look to do with Viacom just yet. Let's take a look here at Post. Ticker symbol is POST. Post right now trading at $88.25. Little haircut there. Closed at $90.94. Not much I'm looking to do there. If it gets down to the $83.50 level, that would be something that would interest me. Until then, I really want to see this one open up on the once the opening bell rings at 9:30. Next up, we want to take a look here at Shoe Carnival. SCVL is the ticker symbol here. The stock right now is trading at $41.50, closed at $37.09. So nice little pop there. Again, I don't know if it has all that much upside. You have a big double top resistance level around $45 if it does get there. So we'll keep that on the radar. We want to take a look at PCG. This stock is getting a big bid yesterday after the closing bell. Look what it did yesterday. The stock is a utility, blamed, for the wildfires, or somewhat being blamed for the wildfires in California. The stock right now is trading, yesterday closed at $17.74. Now it's trading at $25.80. So it looks like California regulators saying they do not want the company to go bankrupt, even though they probably could after these liabilities that California is going to hit them with. So stock rebounding on that news, and we'll see how it plays out today. But again, PCG has been absolutely annihilated, but getting a nice little bounce off of that news that California regulators do not want the company to go bankrupt. We'll see about that one. All right, let's move over now to the gold market. Gold up $9. This is all based on fear. GLD today trading at $115.70. Great pop there. Dollar is a little bit lower, so that's also helping gold. Look at the dollar falling, especially after the Fed comment. So we'll be watching that pretty closely. You have crude oil today up $1.22. Nice little rebound there for the crude oil market right now. Spot crude trading at $57.92 a barrel. You look at the USO trading at 12.25. That's up from 11.98. USO is a very, very good ETF to trade crude oil. So again, we'll keep this and more on the radar. We got some gap plays for you in the morning. We're going to wrap it up here in short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.